Hello everybody, welcome back. So right now we are staying at the Embassy Suites Hotel in Niagara Falls. So we are in here in Niagara Falls. That is our room right there. We're on the 24th floor, room 2410. When you come to this little door here, it looks kind of funny because these two are like almost right next to each other. So you're like, what is this room? But here we are. This is a suite. So we're gonna go ahead and do our room tour right quick for you guys so you can check it out. Of course, you've already seen the entryway. Then you come on in here to sort of like a living room. They have a couch. There's a TV right here. There is a dresser. There is a table right there, your normal table, and your phone and a little outlet there. And then you come around here, there's your thermostat. And there's like this little station right here. It was kind of the same that we had. I did a recent stay in Saratoga Springs, and this is sort of similar too, because that was also, so you got the little microwave and you got the refrigerator here. Is there anything in it? No, there's not. It's actually bigger than the one that I had in Saratoga Springs. And then right here is actually a doorway. You can see right here, look at that, that separates the living room from the rest of the room. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna show you some other stuff. So right here we have the full body mirror right there. We're gonna come into the bathroom, show you this. Here is the bathroom, standard bathroom. The creeper just went by. And then there is the sink. We got some towels here, and then the walk-in shower. As you know, I love my walk-in showers. This one's pretty nice here. Big old walk-in shower. There's the door that gets you in and out. It's a little stuck. There we go. Nice size. Looks like it'll fit pretty well. Come out here. There's a little vanity mirror for some of you ladies or gents, whatever. I want to get ready at night. A little stool, you can sit right there. Here is the bed. We did get a king. There's a little closet here for space. There you go. Looks like some little extra blankets, the ironing board. There's a safe. Looks like a 6-digit safe on that one. Some coat hangers and an iron in the corner. Then we have some storage here. It's like both sides have these. Big old drawers you can fit things in. You got your phone. Does this have USB connections? No, it does not. It just has regular plugs. I believe let's see. There's a phone here as well, or a phone. TV here as well. Big dresser. So lots of storage in here. Lots and lots of storage. More here. There is a radio. I was going to check and see if this radio, this one has wireless charging actually. The top of this radio does. Does it have a USB? The one in, yep, it does. There's 2 USB ports right there on that one. So this one's actually cool. You can put your phone on top of it and USB. Now, the reason why we came here to Niagara Falls, we're going to show you here. Would you like to come get the other side of the window, please, my dear?
You're going to do the...
All right, you ready? Here we go. Bam! Check out that view right there. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. We have never been here before to Niagara Falls. My parents have been. They apparently loved it. But there it is. I think that was the bridge I thought I was coming over when I was coming into Canada, but I took a wrong turn and ended up coming in somewhere way that way. But there it is. Apparently at night this is supposed to like light up. It's supposed to be like a light show, that kind of thing. There is a spinning restaurant somewhere. Looks like we can go down here. There's a little observation deck right here to go check out the falls. Maybe we'll go do that. It is pretty chilly here. Not as chilly as it was a little while ago in Saratoga, but it is still chilly. But here we are. So there's your room tour, room 2410. This is, I believe it's considered a 2-bedroom suite. But this is the Canada side, of course. I think I said that already. If not, there we go. I just said it.
Is it 2410? Oh,
yeah, 2410. Yeah. So apparently they also have a casino right here too. There's a casino. So apparently this side of Niagara Falls is the best side, which is why we decided to come to this side, because apparently you actually see the drop as you see here. This is why you get the other view that way, and it doesn't look like there's many hotels on the on that side anyway. So there we go. That's all we got for you guys for this little video. So hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more. And as always, tripping ain't easy, but it sure is fun.